How to download and install YouTube application on phone. If we want to watch videos, learn any new skills, or enjoy music anytime, we need the YouTube application. Without it, we miss notification, offline downloads, and a smoother experience. So let's install it the right. So for Android device, you can go to Play Store, Google Play Store usually, and you can go to the search and type in YouTube at the search. And when you do, you should be finding the results available. You can tap on install option available. Usually you can find install option like this on your screen. You can tap on it and install it on your device. And once the installation is completed, you can open up the app and you can sign in with your Google account. If you have not done that, and now YouTube is ready on Android. You can just go over and do so. Apart from that, you can just go over and if you're on iOS, you can use App Store and follow up the same process. Tap on Get instead of the install, and you can verify with your Face ID, Touch ID, and open up the app. But usually, this is how you do it. And ensure when you're downloading YouTube, turn on the notification. If you have turned it off, you can hold it up, go to their info, and once you are there, you can tap on notifications option and you can turn this option on. And what it will do is it will notify us about the new uploads from our favorite channels. So you can just go over and do so and complete it up. And why YouTube application is necessary is because on browser it's a bit slower experience and there's no offline downloads available and also very limited notifications and very less control over quality and settings. So you may follow up this process to download YouTube, and that's how we do it. So that's it, everybody. If this video helped, like, share, and follow. And thank you for watching this video.